Good morning everyone. I am Dipanshu.
I am Karimal.
And I'm Anjali.
We are the students of class 12. Today we are presenting our project Climate Info on the topic of climate change.
We have created our application by using Python programming language. We have used Weather API for data, Canva for images, and our application will give you live temperature, air pressure, humidity for specific reason according to your needs.
Thank you.
First of all, as you can see, this is our code. We have used Tincter, Pale, Size and PyQt5 to create a website. Then as you can see, this is our whole code. We have used many functions. Then this is our end of program. Now let's run the program. When we run it, now we will click on the start button. We will open a site. We will enter any location. Let's take example of Haryana. I have entered Haryana. Now I have just below it Haryana tab. When I tab it, it will take me redirect me toward Haryana. Haryana current temperature is 34 degrees Celsius. If I want to see the wind speed of that particular area, I will click on the wind speed, and now it will route. It is 12 km per hour. Now I have just below presented an open mini game button. When I click it, a new site will open and I have a cloud. When I click on it, it will drop some droplets. Just below it, my seed will develop. It will turn into a plant. And then the thank you window will show. That's the end of our project.